What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Hey, I want to show you the Spinnaker watch. This is a Fleuss. I've shown you some Fleusses before on here, and I really like them. So I just got this one. Comes with a manual, a warranty card, and then the watch itself here. But I've never had this color combo and was really, really intrigued by it. Man, you know, I'll tell you what. The Spinnakers, you've heard it before from me. They are just awesome, awesome watches. Awesome, awesome value. I really like them. I definitely think if you're going to pick up a watch, you know, and a watch that's not going to break the bank, you're going to get a lot of style and just a lot of features. So first of all, this is the Fleuss. It's named after Henry Fleuss, inventor of the scuba contraption apparatus, I guess technically, but the scuba tank is kind of what we most associate with him. And the Fleuss here is just really nice. It's really a really great, perfect watch in a lot of senses. So it's a 43 millimeter stainless steel case, so Goldilocks style or Goldilocks size for me. You can see here, if we get in on it, polished crown with Spinnaker logo, nice knurling, brushed case, little polished edge there, really just beautiful. We have a little bit of a slight coin edge to this outer bezel, and as you can see, that bezel is really kind of cool. It's like an acrylic or something with the printing and the black bezel underneath. So it's a little bit round, but it's not like a traditional aluminum or ceramic, and so it's got a kind of nice three-dimensional almost glass like crystal look to it. And then we have a hard mineral crystal on the top here. It's flat, and then on the dial here we have a textured dial, and looks a little bit like sandpaper or gravel and small pebbling. It's just really, really beautiful. And as you can see there, the outer chapter ring, which has minutes, hours, and second markings, are very, very thin and very, very detailed and slightly raised. So they're all kind of etched into that dial or stamped into it, and then white markings painted on it. Spinnaker logo in chrome, and it's an automatic to 500 foot, so you absolutely can use it as a diving watch. Lume on all the numbers and the applied markers there, as well as on the hands, and then you have kind of a brushed silver hands as well. See, it's not running because it's been sitting around a little while. We'll get to the movement here in just a second, and you can see here we have is like a suede, some sort of like weather-proof-ish type of finish on it, but man, it feels soft. It looks great. Just a little bit of reinforcement stitchings in white, and just really, really nice, right? So the Fleusses are just a beautiful watch. Now I just want to show you the back here, because this is the Seiko NH35 movement, I believe, and like I said, it's been sitting here since I didn't get a chance to wind it up. 24 jewels. I love that they have decorated the rotor with the Spinnaker information there. This is a SP 5055, and this is the O2 model, which designates it as black. So that's the color combo. Screw down crown here. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew it there. We get it popped out. Can wind the movement here, I believe. And then if I pull it out here, one position, see how we can get. Okay, date is counterclockwise, and then I'm assuming one more position here, so we can set the time. And then if I push it all in, obviously you can see it's hacking seconds, because now that I've wound it up, it is running. So you not only get just a really cool looking watch in a traditional diver's look, without being, I guess I never showed you the buckle because it had plastic on it, and it's hard to give you a wrist shot when I've got that sucker on there. Can I just rip this sucker off? There we go. Brushed finish, Spinnaker on it. Great buckle, not a economy buckle at all. But as I was saying, you know, the perfect size. It has that traditional diver's look, and yet it's a little modern. It's a little bit different and unique, and I really love it for that. This color combo just does it for me. You know, kind of that black matte, that suede-like band, and then the black on the dial and the bezel just looks pretty classic. It kind of looks like a vintage watch in some ways, a vintage diver's watch, but actually with a lot of modern touches. And the 43 millimeters is a great size, and for a lot of you guys who like automatic movements and then like Japanese reliability in them, I mean, you kind of get everything, right? So pretty awesome. And then the best thing about it too is the Spinnakers tend to be inexpensive. I mean, not not a bauble cheap, but inexpensive. And so this is a $285 watch retail. Use PVP30 to get 30% off of that. So it's basically a couple $100 watch for you. And I mean, that's pretty amazing. It's pretty sweet to be able to get an automatic, a nice quality. I mean, they just ooze quality. When you feel this sucker, it's got some weight, but it's not overly heavy, but you can just tell that they're made really nicely. And I've had a number of Spinnakers now. I have beat them to heck and back, and they just keep on running. So I can attest that they've been really, really great. And they, it's just, if you're kind of getting into watches, you want to add a collection, you want to have, even for guys that don't collect watches, they like having 2 or 3 and kind of different color combos to match different outfits. And the Spinnaker brands are ones that you can do that with, because they're just affordable like that. So check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter from Panda out.